Hi there everyone, back with another video, and in this video we will be learning the differences between function declaration and function expression. So in the previous lectures in this course we have learned about function declaration, callback function, and also we have learned about function expression, and also we have learned about hoisting. And now so now what is the difference between function declaration and function expression? Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell button so that you will be notified whenever I come up with a new video. So with that being said, let me begin with the first difference. So the first difference is, let me say, okay, first I will just declare a function declaration and a function expression. So I will have some function declaration like function fun1. So yeah, this is the function declaration. So in the console I will be having some kind of a code over here. Let me say it's a function declaration, right? So this is a function declaration which I have, and now I will also have a function expression just like that. So I'll declare a variable called as fun, and I will declare a function, an anonymous function just like that. And so in this function I will have some kind of a code like this. So in this log over here, and I will say function what expression, yeah. So I have this function expression declared over here and the function expression. So of course the first difference is about, of course, the syntax of that. So syntax of the function declaration is totally different from the syntax of that of function expression. So in function expression we need a variable to hold this function as a value to that, and for but in the contrary we don't need any variable to store a value of this function declaration, right? So this is the first difference you need to understand. So there is no variable for a function declaration, there is a variable for function expression, and the syntaxes are very different. So this is the first difference. So the second difference is, for function declaration there will be hoisting. So if you don't know anything about hoisting, please check the last, yeah, I think last or previous lecture or video. I have explained you about hoisting. So please check about that hosting thing, that concept. And so now, yeah, for function declaration there will be a hoisting, but there will be not a hosting happening to a function expression. So let me explain you how the hosting works with function declaration, and let me check whether the hosting will work with function expression. So now what if I call a function just like this function one before declaring that, and just like that. So I'm calling this function before declaring above the function fun1, right? So I'm just calling that function before declaring, and after that I'm declaring that same function like fun1. So now what will be the output here? So let me check in the output. Of course we got function declaration, right? So now there is a hosting happening here, right? So this is the thing. And if I do the same thing for function expression, so now what I will be doing here is, if I do the same thing for function expression, so now what will be the output? What do you think? Will it execute this or will it do something else? It will give us an error, right? So as you can see, the error is fun is not a function. So the thing here is, since there is no hosting done for this function expression, our JavaScript interpreter will never and ever get to know that there is a there is a function called as fun declared in the entire program. So the thing here is, if you want to call a function expression, you need to first declare that function expression, and then after that, after declaring this, you need to call and you need to make use of that function expression. So now if I do the same function call after declaring the function expression, the error will be gone, and as you can see, we got function expression in the output. So this is the second difference and the most important difference that you need to and you must to know that, right? So there is no hosting for the function expression, but we can call the function declaration wherever we want, right? So declare anywhere and call that function anywhere. I can also call here too, right? So there is no big deal in that. So I will get the same output of this function, right? So this is it, guys. This is the total differences between a function declaration and a function expression in JavaScript. I hope that it is helpful for you. Let me know your comments, and please like this video, share this, and also subscribe, and it means a lot for me. Thank you, guys. Let me see you in the next video.